So hello everyone, welcome back. As far as I'm concerned, this is a very simple thing to do, but I figured I might as well show you how, just in case you don't know how, okay? To replace the air filter on your D4D or 2KD FTB engine, okay? Now be advised, this air filter housing doesn't have an air filter for it, okay? But I'll show you how you can replace that. Just do this, unclip this, and unclip this, okay? And loosen this hose clamp, okay? Just loose. You need to loosen that. That way, should you lift this up, okay, you won't damage the hose. See? So this is our new air filter. Lift that up. Slip that in place. Okay, just like that. Center it. Make sure it's centered. And put the cover or lid back on. Clip here as well, and this one. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so that takes care of that. And tighten the hose clamp back on. Okay, again, it started to rain. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, so that's it. So anyway, just a short video. That's how you replace the air filter on your D4D or 2KD FTV engine. So I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you don't know how, now you do. Very easy to do. If you're new to my channel, like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching.